replacing blank values, white space, with NaN in Pandas. I want to find all values in a Pandas data frame that contain white space, any arbitrary amount, and replace those values with NaNs. Any ideas how this can be improved? Basically, I want to turn this into this. I've managed to do it with the code below, but man is it ugly. It's not Pythonic, and I'm sure it's not the most efficient use of Pandas either. I loop through each column and do Boolean replacement against a column mask generated by applying a function that does a regex search of each value, matching on white space. It could be optimized a bit by only iterating through fields that could contain empty strings. But that's not much of an improvement. And finally, this code sets the target strings to none, which works with Pandas functions like fillna, but it would be nice for completeness if I could actually insert a NaN directly instead of none.
How about the apply map function applies a function to every cell of the data frame.
I think df.replace does the job, since Pandas 0.13 produces As Temak pointed it out, use df.replace r:\s plus $np.nan regex equals true in case your valid data contains white spaces.
I did this. Or you can strip all str, then replace empty str with np.nan.
If you want to replace an empty string and records with only spaces, the correct answer is the accepted answer. Does not replace an empty string. You can try yourself with the given example slightly updated. Note, also that foo is not replaced with NaN, though it contains a space. Further note, that a simple does not work either. Try it out.
If you want to support the channel,